With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, today we have a question. The question is related to elementary transformations of a matrix and rank of a matrix. Now let's see our question. In this we are given what elementary transformations are. There are three elementary transformations doing which the rank of a matrix doesn't change. They are, first one is if we interchange of any two rows or columns. We can interchange one row with another row or we can interchange columns. So second elementary operation is the multiplication of elements of any row or column by any non-zero numbers. That means if we multiply the whole row with a number, with a non-zero number, then also the rank of a matrix doesn't change. The next one is the addition to the elements of any row or column, the corresponding elements of any other row multiplied by any number. That means we can multiply a row with any number and add that row or subtract that row to another row. Then also that is one of our elementary transformation. Now let's see what is echelon form of a matrix. A matrix A is said to be an echelon form if every row in that matrix has its elements 0 occurs below the row which has a non-zero element. That means if a row has all 0 0 0, that means all elements are 0, then it should occur at the end, not in the beginning. That means after that all 0 element rows, there shouldn't be any other row with non-zero elements. That is our echelon form. And other condition is the first non-zero element in each non-zero row is 1. That means in a non-zero row, the first element that occurs should be non-zero. That means it should be 1. The number of zeros before the first non-zero row in a row is less than the number of such zeros in the next row. That means if our second row has 2 zeros, then our third row should have greater than 2 but not less than 2 zero elements. That is our echelon form. Now here we are given that a row of a matrix is said to be zero row if all its elements are 0. If all the elements of a row are 0, then we call that as a zero row. Now doing this, as said earlier, rank of a matrix does not change by applying any of the elementary operations. Now let's see what are echelon forms. Here are two examples of echelon forms. Let's see here. First one we have is 1 1 3 0 1 2 0 0 0. And the second one is 1 1 3 6 0 1 2 2 0 0 0 0. In our first example, our first row first element is 1 and second row what do we have? We have 1 0 element and third row we have all 0 elements. Yes, our conditions are satisfied. Similarly for the second one. Here the number of non-zero rows in non-echelon form of a matrix is called its rank. That means let's see how to do that. Here we are given matrix A. Matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 7, 3, 6, 10. This is our matrix A. Now let us apply some elementary transformations to change it into echelon form. Now here if we do R2 equal to R2 minus 2R1, what do we get? Here there is no change in first row. That means here we get 1, 2, 3. If we multiply 2R1, we get first row as 2, 4 and 6. If we do subtraction, what do we get here? 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4. This is 2 minus 2, yes 2R1, very good. The next 4 minus 4 and we get 7 minus 6. And let us do R3 equal to R3 minus 3R1. If we do this, what do we get in our third row? We get 3 minus 3, 6 minus 6, 10 minus 9. This is our R3. That means after these two transformations, our A matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now let us apply one more elementary operation. Here we get R3 equal to, let us apply R3 to R3 minus R1. If we do this, what do we get here? Here we get RA equal to 1, 2, 3. No difference in 2, 0, 0, 1. If we do R3 minus R2, here we get 0, 0, 0. Yes, therefore this is our echelon form. Now how many non-zero rows are here? Here we have two non-zero rows, only one is a zero row. Therefore rank of the given matrix is 2. That is our 2. Now let us find the rank of the given example. Here what do we have in our question? Our question is to find the rank of a matrix 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 3, 1, 1. This is our matrix. Now let us see how to do this. Here let us apply first operation as R2 equal to R2 minus R1. That means here we get first row doesn't have any change. That is 1, 1, 1. Here we get 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 minus is minus 2. And let us do another equation here. Now here we get R3 equal to R3 minus 3R1. If we do this R3 equal to R3 minus 3R1, we get 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. This is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. This is our matrix A after doing operations on R2 and R3. Now let us do one more operation, which is R3 equal to R2 plus R3. If we do this, here what do we get? First as 1, 1, 1. Second as 0, minus 2, minus 2. And our third one will be 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. R2 plus R3 is minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is nothing but 0. And also minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Yes, if we do the subtraction R3 equal to R2 minus R3, this is our matrix in echelon form. Now how many non-zero element rows are here? We have two non-zero rows. Therefore rank of the matrix is equal to 2. Our answer is option 2. 2 is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.